Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Cyber Block in Dutch, Japanese Suguru, and this one you are interested. It's the Four Stars Sudoku number 9300. 9300. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Yeah, the Four Star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits in additional, yes. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for the Four Stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a Four Stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here three ones. We have here two twos. One, two, three threes, two fours, three fives. How about the sixes? Three sixes, three sevens, three eights, and two nines. It's divided. It's divided. Well. So I cannot pick one. Alright. These three missing numbers. In the middle row, we have six missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these three boxes. So the 1 could be here, or there. You see another 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 in the second column, no 1 there. The only place left 1 should be there. 9 and 8. Okay. Think. Need a 3 here. Need a 6 there. Well, need a 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this third row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Then need a 2 here or there. Need a 7. Need a 4 here. Need an 8 here. 8 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. 2, 3. Well, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 9 could be here, could be there. Okay. 9, need a 9 there. 9, okay. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, need 2 there. 2, okay. 8. Yeah, I need 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers, and 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and 9 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 9 in this big square goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4, 8. Then. Well, in this row, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the column next, no 6 there. So the only 2 places left in this row for the 6 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then, a 7 there. And a 5. Well, we have a triplet in this big square. 8 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 5, the 7, and the 6. We have a 5, 7, and a 6 in the first row, so no 5 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5, 7, and a 6 in this column, no 5 and a 7 in and a 6 in those 3 boxes. So 3 boxes left in this big square for the 5, 7, and 6. 5, 7, and a 6. 5, 7, and a 6. Okay. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Okay. Okay, 5, 7, and a 6. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this third row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, need a 1 here. 1. Need 8, need an 8 here. I need an 8 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 9 could be here, could be there. Need a 5. 5, 5, need a 5 there. Okay. 7, 7 here, there. 7. Yeah. 7. Come on. 7. Think. 8 in the last column. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Need a 4 here. 7. Need a 6. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8. Okay, so we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 4 should be here. 2 numbers left now. In the middle row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Last column. So 7 should be here. Then I need 2. I need a 3. 3 in this column. Last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 5, 5, okay. Well, you 7 here. How about here and a 9 and that? No. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 and that. 4 is missing, a 9 and 4. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Yeah, need a 4. The 5, the 6, and the need is 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here. Here. Okay. 1 and a 4. Okay, so we have a 4 in this column. 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only place left 4 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 9 then. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. These 3 missing numbers are 1 is missing. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes here. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, 8, okay. And 5 here. 5, 5. Come on, come on, come on. Need 8 here. No, 8, 8, 8, 8. 3, 3. Need a 4 there, okay. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need 7 here or there. Yeah. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. The 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1, 2, need a 3. I need a 6. There should be 6. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1 then. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Right. Then 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. So the other two numbers should be the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes elevated 5. We have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square. For the most 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in that column, so the column 3. The middle column, the only place level 2 should be there. 1 box left now. In the middle column for number 1, that means the other 2 should be the 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. So we have a 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 7 should be here. So the 1 and the 4 are left. The 1 and the 4, okay. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the third row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and the 9, we have 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. 1 box left now in the first column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. We solved it again. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. So, until then, bye-bye for now.